How to add gift card to Venmo. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. For this, open up your Venmo application or open up your Venmo in your web page. However, make sure to log in to your Venmo account. Once you are in your Venmo, to add your gift card, tap on the three-line icon at the bottom or the setting gear option. From the list of preferences, you have to locate the option of payment method and tap on the payment method option. In here, you can select the option of add bank or card. Once you tap on add bank or card, select the option of add card separately. Then enter the card number that is at the back of your gift card or scan for the gift card by tapping on the camera icon. Next, enter the expiration date, security code and the zip code. Finally, you can enter the value the card possesses, that is the amount of gift card that you have. Once you successfully add the amount, hit the next button. If your gift card is applicable, you'll be able to add your balance using your gift card to your Venmo app. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.